Iconic was born out of a need to combat this overconsumption, which is very prevalent in fast fashion industry. Also, other very harmful and toxic traits of fast fashion industry, like not paying fair wages to their workers or using toxic chemical colors. So, Iconic was born out of a need to combat. What we do at Iconic is that we make small batch production and we use handloom fabrics, especially we work on area silk, which is native to Assam and the Northeast. And we work with weavers based in Vijayanagar and Jaipur. These are with all female weavers who have been in this industry, who've been working for almost 30-35 years. Reach out to these women through an organization called Antaran. Antaran is a Tata Trust company. It's a CSR initiative. Why Iconic reached out through Antaran is because they already have the database of different clusters of weavers that work in and around Assam. The fact that we know Antaran is a CSR company where when they place an order, they decide to work on a project with those weavers, we do not pay Antaran. We pay the money directly into the account of the weavers. So far, we have worked with almost 47 weaver families, and at no point does any toxic chemicals touch our fabrics. We also make sure that during the production, because we work mostly on eri, so we see that wherever the eri is reared, we make sure that we pick up the eri yarns from those sources only where they are rearing the eri also in suitable conditions. Something very unique called eco printing, where we print on fabrics with natural leaves and flowers. The flowers we collect from the flower market in Guwahati, Fancy Bazaar. We do not collect fresh flowers. Fabrics with natural leaves and flowers. The flowers we collect from the flower market in Guwahati, Fancy Bazaar. We do not collect fresh flowers. We also have a few collaborations with temples, juice shops, vegetable markets. I think on paper it's been 5 years that we started Iconic, but actually we almost started working from 2021 end. It was with garments, which we also made of eri silk, cottons and Mulberry silks, all hand woven in Assam. Natural dyes, not just printing, but all natural dyes adhere really well. And the colors come out very vibrant, the prints come out very crisp and clear. So eri is a good match for us. Apart from that, eri's own qualities, it being suitable for all seasons. Even in summers it acts almost like cotton, and in winters it acts like light wool because it keeps it insulated, it's like warm. So it keeps it cool in summers and warm in winters. So that's a very very good quality that we found. And the fact that it is reared, processed, woven in Assam locally, that is again another unique situation. Eri silk is almost 80% of our product line, apart from Mulberry silk. We want to keep the weft eri because that will be on top, and since it's a protein fiber, it will show the print more distinctly, or it will take on the color more better than plant-based. So especially when we go on international platforms for fairs and exhibitions, then we put more focus on eri because people out there, they may or may not know about eri silk, but they want to learn about a more sustainable form of silk. So when we explain it to them, when we give them an option that, what, so far you've been using this and this, but here is this new, it's not a new fiber though, but still a lot of people do not know, but then we tell them their properties and then they're amazed.
You try collaborating with other designers in
We are doing one collaboration now actually. Just last month में नहीं, इस month के beginning में हमने 3rd or 4th को भेजा है our own again the dead stock basically. We sent it to Taiwan. Yes. So hopefully we'll get our fabrics soon. So we're trying different things with the dead stock. कुछ नया हो कि वो आ जाए, then we're able to make new products out of it. One brand we did, it's a LA based brand, it's One More Me. Yes. So they have put it out as a collaboration. They are still working with us. It's working with us. There are challenges to work with eri because what we say that shine is not there and all, वो तो उसका natural property ही है. People like it for that. Same for cotton. You can't expect it to be shiny like silk, right? So eri has its own USP, and I wouldn't say that those are challenges that we have to overcome. But from the design intervention point of view, yes, you can do a lot with eri. You can use different self designs. You can do extra weft techniques. You can blend it with other fibers. So a lot to do with design intervention, definitely. Not just blend it with other fibers. You can use other materials which are non-conventional. They may be branches or maybe leaves, but they could be used as like structural designs for design shows,
and just museum pieces, art pieces. So where you go just crazy with your art exploration and you're using AD as the main medium, that as the hero, ingredient, and you're using it with anything and everything else, and see how it changes its characters, how it changes its own identity.